Hey everybody, okay, I'm gonna show you today. It's my all my videos, all my favorite videos too. Well, okay, let's begin. First I have Madagascar. That's a great movie and I love it very much. It's seriously one of my favorite. Confession of a Teenage Drama Queen. It's a lovely movie too. It's awesome with Lindsay Lohan. Right. Then I have Ego Geo. It's a Danish comic stand-up comic show. He's very cute. He's okay. He's not cute, but he's cool. He's funny, and that's Geo right there. Okay. Then we have Once Upon a Time in Mexico. Yay! See, and that's Salma Hayek, and that's Antonio Banderas, and that's Johnny Depp. Those three are the characters in it. Then I have Happy Feet. I love Happy Feet. Did you know that Robin Williams is in it, and Brittany Murphy, and Hugh Jackman, and Nicole Kidman? They are just so sweet, all of them, and this is so sweet. Okay. Then I have the Pink Panda. See the Pink Panda right there, and he's also here, and with Beyonce right there, and Steve Martin there, and some other guys too, not only Joe. But then I have The Mask with Jim Carrey. See, his name is right there, Jim Carrey. The Mask. And Cameron Diaz is in it too. It's very funny. He has a dog too. Then I have Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen, Holiday in the Sun. I'm not a very great fan of them, but I mean, it's a great movie. If you like that. Okay, then we have what do we have anymore? Okay, we have Toy Story 2. That is also one of my favorite movies. I don't know why, but I like Buzz Lightyear and I like him, Woody, and I totally like that little girl. She's so cute. Okay, that was all from now. Bye. See ya.